Alright, this is the unboxing video of Redragon mouse, and this is the model number is, what is this model number? Redragon Cobra FPS. That's what this is, and we're gonna unbox this mouse and let's check out the initial expressions. Okay, let's start this. There's a sticker here which we're gonna cut open, not cut open, but yeah boy, this shit is, why is it so, come on dude, do you not want me to open the mouse? Thank you. Okay, now let's do the unboxing. Let's see what do we got. Of course the box looks like this from the front and like this from the back. Take a good look if you want every single details of which model I'm using. And damn, it's empty here. There we go. We got some paper, not some paper, but we got a paper and a sticker, Redragon sticker. And put this on the side. Take a look at the mouse itself, which is the main thing here, and that's it. Okay, initial expression. Build quality feels solid. It feels well made. Even at this price, I didn't expected this to be feeling like this. The clicks are good too. Oh my god, they don't feel cheap at all. I wasn't expecting this. Wow, they all clicky. Scrolling wheel is clicky. Scrolling wheel is good, smooth, clicky. These are clicky too, good. They don't require much force. These ones too, very light and clicky. Left and right is a little bit on the harder side, but man, this is good. I didn't expect this. And yes, these do come with optical switches for left and right button only, and these buttons are not optical. And which matter the most is left and right button. And let's untangle this wire. It is a pretty hard wire. It's not soft. It is a hard wire. It's gonna drag it into the mouse pad for sure, but it ain't gonna be any problem. And it's not okay. Here is the Logitech G304 with a AA battery, right? Okay, I'm comparing the weight. Okay, this is surprisingly lighter than I thought. It feels lighter. I don't know. Yeah, it's not that heavier than this. About the same. Might be the same weight. Good. Oh, it's comfortable too. It just goes like, look how it's shaped in my hand. The shape is also just good. Well shaped. It's a medium size. This is not a very big mouse. It's a medium sized mouse. Even though it looks bigger than G304, it doesn't feel big when you hold it. I think it's narrower here. That's why it doesn't feel big. And this is a medium sized mouse. Feels perfect for my hand. A little bit smaller, I think, but little bit smaller for my hand, but it's all good. Yep. surprisingly good mouse for $30. Insane. It has Pixar 3360 sensor here, right? And this is optical switch. That means 0.2 millisecond response time. That means your sniper shot, your flick shots, your shotgun shots, whatever, you're gonna have an advantage over people who use mechanical switches. And 1000 Hz polling rate means more than enough. That's 1 ms latency. Combine that with 2 ms latency with of these optical switches. That's like how 3 ms latency, whereas in normal mechanical switches there will be like 5 ms latency for debounce. 6, like you're getting more than 50% quicker performance here compared to a mechanical switch mouse. That's what I'm trying to say. Bro, this thing, like, mind blown. Why would you buy anything else? If you want to go for a wired mouse, you shouldn't spend more than $30. It's stupid. I mean, if you want to go for a wireless or 3-in-1 mouse, like wireless, Bluetooth, wired, 2.4 gigahertz, whatever, right? Then you'd go for like over $100 or over $70 or 60, 70 or $100, right? But do not make the mistake of spending more than $30 as long as this mouse exists for a wired mouse. I mean, it ticks all the boxes. Good keys, optical switches, good build quality. It's not that heavy, fits perfect in the hand. It might be heavy for some players if you're coming from a very lighter mouse, like below 60 grams or 50 grams. You're gonna feel, oh my god, you're gonna feel like this mouse is gonna feel like 2 times more heavy. But that's because you were playing on a lighter mouse. If you just get used to this, come on, for tracking, for stable aim, actually heavier mouse are better than lighter mouse, alright? And I'm very impressed. I mean, insane. You do not never spend more than $30 on a mouse. You're throwing money away. That's bullshit. What you can do is get this mouse for $30 and spend the rest money on a good wireless mouse. That's it. Then you get 2. Keep switching between the 2 and keep playing. Like, come on. Let me plug this in on the USB cable, right? And let's see. Let us see the lightning. Alright. Okay, this is the light. Alright, not bad. Even in this well-lit lighting, I have like 2 room lights turned on and the flashlight turned on of my phone, and still looks bright. How is this possible on $30? I have no idea, but Redragon did it, right? And these mouse are not gonna fail you. You can buy like $60, $70, $100 mouse and they're gonna break in like 6 months. But you buy these mouse, they are good, value for money, they check the boxes, and they are also durable. Like, come on, this is a scam, right? You're paying for the name of big brands. You're basically getting scammed. That's it for initial impressions. And now I'm gonna use this mouse, play with it, and then get back to you. Alright. Alright, now it's time to check the in-game performance of this Cobra FPS mouse, M711, that is the model number. And okay, if I'm missing shots here, that's my aiming skills, not the mouse. Okay.
Got an upgrade waiting.
And on top of that, I'm
2
recording
rounds.
from OBS, so it takes a hit on my GPU because my GPU is not that powerful, so it's a trade-off. But come on, this is insane. On $30, you're basically getting performance of a very high-end mouse on a $30. If you wanna go wired, never spend a penny more than this. Come on.
Upgrades ready. Time to make a choice.
Alright, now let's do a little test with the Peacekeeper. Alright. Okay. I mean, I give this mouse 10 on 10. What I'll do here is I'll right click and then shoot my Peacekeeper. And let's see how does that go. Right. I mean, it's instant, but you know, it's instant. I'm right clicking and hitting him, but it doesn't look like that because it's so fast. Look.
Got an upgrade to choose.
That's it. Alright, to conclude the video, I mean, I could not recommend anything else over this for wired option. Of course, if you want something that's more light, then this might not be for you, but you can just buy and just, you know, get used to it if you can. It's not like you can adapt to it, you know. If you play for like 1 or 2 weeks, boom, you're gonna forget that this is what I'm trying to say is it's always comparisons, right? Something is lighter compared to something.
Upgrades
Something is
ready.
heavier
Time to
compared
make a
to
choice.
something. You know. If there was nothing to compare to, you wouldn't feel this mouse heavy at all. It's like 100 grams. Even for a kid, a little child, 100 grams is not a heavy weight. Come on, guys. So that's the bottom line. I'll give this mouse absolutely 10 on 10. 10 out of 10. There's no doubt about it. This is like the optical switch on this is working flawlessly. The sensor is absolutely pixel perfect. It's quick. It's responsive. You can give this mouse to any pro player in the world and he will not be playing any bad at all. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Peace out.